Now it's been dead for 24,000 years. Now a tiny worm has wriggled back to life after lying frozen in Siberia. Russian scientists found the ancient organism in soil samples taken from a river, and it's less than 1/4 of a millimetre long. When researchers warmed it up and gave it food, it became active. It had also reproduced. The worm is able to clone itself without the need of a sexual partner. Well, Nataliia Iakovenko is a zoologist at the Czech University of Life Sciences and one of the authors of the report.
So I'm very happy as a scientist that we found something which is really new. We now have more questions than answers about what we have found, but I'm very certain that what we have found will have or at least can have a major outcome for the scientific community and for the rest of the world as well, because we found an animal which basically survived in anabiosis, but it still survived for 24,000 years, and that's a big deal. That means that that animal possesses some substances which we can identify, synthesize, and use in medicine and cryobiological technologies to preserve live tissues and organs and other organic material. Now we have something which is proven to be really, really very resistant, and something which, not just like bacterium, it has neural cells, it has digestive system, so it has very complex cell structures, and still it survives for so long. So it's quite extraordinary. It's quite complex structure, and for example, freezing neurons, it's quite a challenge. Like, I checked special literature on cryopreservation of neurons, and it's a huge problem actually. So if we can help this, if we can develop a technology of cryopreservation, successful cryopreservation of neural tissue, that would be absolutely great, because it's like the most complex tissue to create cultures and to be preserved. So I think it's very important from this point of view.